trading crypto to $100. So the challenge is complete. We officially reached more than $100. So the trade, my Ethereum trade of $2,205 has made me a return of $133 with 96 cents. And it just goes to show that, if you're patient enough and I guess you could say if, you buy the dips, or in other words, you dollar cost average, right? You can make money in the market, in the crypto market, or in the stock market, right? And just so in case you don't know what dollar cost averaging is, right? Dollar cost averaging is an approach to purchasing an investment in which the buyer spreads out their purchases so that the total price paid is less affected by market timing. And it honestly surprises me that, that I made $133.96, trading Ethereum. And I don't know, it just fascinates me that, money can do this in a way. I never thought I would never have thought that money could do this. Really, it's just insane. And so right now, right, Ethereum is at $2,756, right? And right now, you can see on August 23rd, 2024, Ethereum finally, it broke above the 9 and 20 day moving average. You can see that it was kind of having trouble since when was it? Since August 18th, it was having trouble breaking the 20 day moving average until finally on August 23rd, Ethereum snapped and it went past the 9 and 20 day moving average. And so what's the next thing that's going to happen to Ethereum, right? So basically what my personal idea that I think that's going to happen with Ethereum is that it's probably going to approach the 2,900 level soon. And why do I say that? Is because if you look at the 50-day moving average, right, you can see that the level it reads, it's 2,978, right? And so I personally feel like Ethereum might approach that level soon. And I feel like could, Ethereum get rejected by the 50-day moving average? Definitely. Or really, no one really knows, right? And we'll obviously have to see what happens, right? And so basically, it's kind of approaching this next support level of the 2,800 level. And in a way, I feel like Ethereum could reach the 3,000 level soon. If Ethereum breaks the 50-day moving average, the next the next price target I'm looking out for is for Ethereum to reach is either the 3,300 level or the 3,200 level. Part of the reason I say that is because if you look at the 180-day moving average, it reads a level of 3,300, and if you look at the 200-day moving average, it reads a level of 3,251. And so obviously, I believe that Ethereum could reach that level sooner or later, but no one really knows for sure right now. And if you look at it on the on the 30-minute time chart, you can see that during the day it had like a dip all the way to 2,734 and 22 cents. And then it kind of had like a spike to the uptrend. And then you can see on the 20-day moving average, it got rejected. Ethereum got rejected by the 20-day moving average. And I personally feel like unless Ethereum can break the 20-day moving average, yeah, if Ethereum breaks the 20-day moving average sooner or later, right, then we could possibly see, Ethereum approach that level that I had mentioned earlier, the 2,900 level. Now, looking at Bitcoin, right? Bitcoin, it's on the daily. Yesterday, it reached a high of $65,024 with 41 cents, right? And it couldn't break above it. It couldn't break the 180-day moving average, and it got rejected by it. Today, it looks like it wanted to break it, and again, it got rejected by the 180-day moving average. And I feel like unless Bitcoin doesn't break the 180-day moving average, I feel like maybe Bitcoin could bounce between the 180 and 200-day moving average for the next couple of days or weeks. And I personally feel like if Bitcoin does break the 180-day moving average, then we could obviously see a little bit of more uptrend for Bitcoin to continue. And yeah, I mean, I was thinking of getting into other cryptocurrencies, right? But I personally feel like Ethereum and Bitcoin are the safest bets to get in, or not to get in, but like I feel like they're the safest investments in my personal opinion. Part of the reason I say that is because I feel like Bitcoin is like the SPY of the crypto market, and I feel like Ethereum is like I guess you could say the Apple of the crypto market in a way, sort of. That's probably not like a good comparison, but I feel like it is sort of in a way. And I feel like if you look at what's called the Bitcoin rainbow chart, basically it shows a rainbow, right? And each rainbow color has a different meaning, right? So if you look at at the Bitcoin rainbow chart, right now it looks like it's in the aqua color, sort of. And basically that color signifies that it's a buy right now, right? And if you look at the previous halvings that Bitcoin has had in the past, right? In 2016, right? Bitcoin halved and it went up. In 2020, Bitcoin halved and it went up. And I personally feel like, I feel like history will repeat itself with Bitcoin. Yeah, I personally feel like Bitcoin could, repeat history again. And if it doesn't, I don't know what will happen with Bitcoin, but I do personally feel like Bitcoin will repeat itself. But other than that, right, Ethereum, the Ethereum challenge, or I guess you could say trading crypto, trading crypto to $100, the challenge is complete, basically. Basically, the Ethereum trade gave us more than $100. It gave us actually $133 with 96 cents. And yeah, obviously I haven't sold it yet because I kind of want to do now that we reached the milestone of $100, I kind of want to see if we can reach the milestone of $200. So I'll keep you guys updated to see what happens. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll see you guys in the next video. As always, take care and bye.